First of all, lot of people will tell you that when you talk about CAT as an examination or when you talk about any competitive examination, right, reading is very important, which is completely understood. What happens at Seduce Mentors is basically I will be helping you to understand how do you read, okay, for a couple of months, right? We'll be talking about the reading skills and we will talk about reading strategies, what to read, what not to read, which area you should be leaving, which area you should be really careful, the scheming strategy or a parallelism strategy, right? We will be talking about all these things. That's one part of your verbal preparation. The another part of your verbal preparation at Seduce will be purely rules and strategies, okay? So can we do strategies right now, sir? Can we do those rules and those shortcuts and those fundas that you always talk about? Can we do that right now? We can do that right now. There is no doubt about it. But there is a problem here. The problem is that if you do it right now, you will not be able to connect with it because you have round about 9 months now. So I don't want you to start with the shortcuts and those tricks and tips and those rules right from now. I want you all to spend some good time on the reading front because reading will help you. And always remember, this reading will help you only and only till the time July end or August. After that, guys, if you are a repeater, you can connect with me very well. You will tell me that, you know what, sir, once the August month comes into picture or once we start with the August month, it is going to be really, really tough to even read it, right? So whatever reading that you want to do, guys, you can do it till July 31st. वहाँ तक आपको टाइम है. उसके बाद बेटा तुम्हारी हिम्मत नहीं होनी न्यूज़पेपर निकाल के उसको पढ़ने के लिए, बिकॉज जब हम रीडिंग करते हैं कैट का, अगर मैं कोई रीडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन रीड करता हूँ या फिर अगर मैं जैट का कोई आरसी रीड करता हूँ, मेरा पूरा फोकस कमेंट करके बता देना मुझे, भाई, मेरा पूरा फोकस कैट का आरसी हो, जैट का आरसी हो, स्नैप का आरसी हो, मेरा पूरा फोकस सॉल्व करने में है. मेरा फोकस ये नहीं कि मैं लिखूंगा, मैं समझूंगा, मैं रीड करूंगा, मैं जानूंगा. कमेंट करके बता दो यस नो. सो जब मैं आरसी पढ़ता हूँ, आई वॉन्ट एवरीबडी टू बी एक्टिव इन द चैट बॉक्स, गाइस. तो जब मैं आरसी पढ़ता हूँ तो मेरा पूरा फोकस होता है कि मैं उसको एक बार ही क्वेश्चन देखूं और क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं ढूंढूं एंड आई एम डन विद द आरसी. आई डोंट केयर व्हाट एल्स इज गिवन इन द आरसी. आई जस्ट वांट टू हैव माय क्वेश्चन and their answer and I'm done with it, right? That is the major problem with the reading. So understand this thing. Right now you need to learn reading so that वो चीज़ ना हो आपके साथ end में. Fine. So now what you should do? Very simple. What you have to do is you should have a ritual कि भाई मुझे दिन में 1 घंटा पढ़ना है. अब जब बात करेंगे 1 घंटा पढ़ना है तो 1 घंटे में क्या पढ़ना है, तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको चलना है. पहली चीज़ आपको ये समझना है कि जब भी आप रीड करोगे, whenever you get onto the Guardian or Aeon or the Hindu, Mint, whatever that you get on, right? Do not try to understand it. That is the biggest mistake lot of students will do during their competitive exam preparation. That I will try to read something and I will try to understand what I'm reading. That's not going to be the case. Yeah, if you're good with the comprehension, you can try to understand what the article is talking about. But if you're not good with the comprehension, and if it's too much work for you to read, अगर दिल पे पत्थर रख के अगर आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, आप बस लाइन बाय लाइन चलो, राइट? तो स्टेप 1 है, अगर आप नूब हो, अगर आप न्यूबी हो, टायरो हो, बहुत नए बच्चे हो, रीड करो, बट दिमाग मत लगाओ तुम क्या रीड कर रहे हो. योर फोकस शुड बी ऑन सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन. योर फोकस शुड बी ऑन सेंटेंस framing. Your focus should be on vocabulary, words, the kind of words are used, the kind of sentences are mentioned, the kind of figure of speech that they are using, the kind of proverbs they are using. तो आप खुद को उनके साथ एक kind of introduce करा रहे हो कि अच्छा ये ऐसी लैंग्वेज है, अच्छा ये इकोनॉमिक्स है, इसको ऐसे लिखा गया है, ग्रेट, ओके, तो ये साइकोलॉजी है, इसको इस तरीके से लिखा गया है, अच्छा ये फिलोसॉफी है, इसको इस तरीके से लिखा गया है. तो रूल नंबर 1 ये बोलता है कि जब भी आप रीड करोगे, डू नॉट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. नाउ दिस माइट साउंड वेरी स्टूपिड कि यार मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ, मैं अंडरस्टैंड ना करूँ, बिकॉज when you read and try to understand what you're reading at the same time, that sucks your energy completely. And when you are short on the energy, you do not enjoy reading at all. That is the major problem. Comment करके बताना yes no. It is like मैं किसी बंदे से या किसी बंदी से मैं मिल रहा हूँ और उनसे बात करे बिना मैं उनको जज कर रहा हूँ. मैं उनको जज कर रहा हूँ उनके कपड़े पे, मैं उनको जज कर रहा हूँ उनके चेहरे पे, मैं उनको जज कर रहा हूँ उनकी स्किन कलर पे. वो गलत है. फिर आप उनकी कंपनी एंजॉय नहीं कर पाएंगे. आपको बस ये देखना है कि अच्छा कैसे है वो, कैसे बात हो सकती है इनके साथ. तो आपको खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है और आपको उनको जानने की कोशिश करना है रादर देन रीडिंग देयर माइंड. rather than reading their mind. So you don't have to read their mind, you need to understand. Okay, so you're meeting somebody from North India, great, try to understand people from North India. You're meeting somebody from Maharashtra, okay, no judgment, I'm just gonna try to talk to this guy or this girl, try to understand Maharashtrians very well. I'm meeting somebody from South India, okay, you know what, I'm not gonna judge anyone, I'm just gonna talk to them, I'm gonna understand them. So like these regions that I'm talking about, Maharashtra, North, Delhi and South Indies, these are the topics that you will be reading: economics, psychology, philosophy. And when you do not want to understand what is written, you are focusing on the structure. You are focusing on the characteristic. So you will find that an economic paragraph is always written in one particular way. A philosophical or a psychological paragraph is always written in one particular way. Right? Likewise, you will see Indian authors and foreign authors, they have their typical methodology of writing. Right, so that is going to be the baby step. That's the first thing that you need to understand. Do not try to understand what you are reading. Just go through the words, just go through the sentences and just enjoy that. That's it. Are you all with me? But sir, I'm good at English, I can understand. Very good, if you can understand, go ahead, not a problem, buddy. Okay, rule number 1. Rule number 2. Read what you know. Rule number 2. Read what you know, or read which is current affair. समझ लो? Read something that you already know. Economics, finance, stock market, polity, right? Anything. Okay? Read something that you know as far as the topic is concerned. Else, read something which is a current affair, which is happening around. Let's talk about Ukraine and Russia war. We know what's happening. There is some fuck up that's going on between these two countries. We know it. Now, what is the importance of it? Number 1. When you read something that you know, let's say for me it's economics, finance and stock market, I will enjoy it. Okay? I'll be little quick while reading कि मुझे पता है कहाँ पे क्या आएगा, कहाँ पे क्या आएगा, कहाँ पे क्या आएगा. Are you all with me? I'll get to know what's written in this particular paragraph. I'll tell you the best thing. From where the reading comprehensions are picked up: newspapers, articles, magazines, right? So guys, understand this. The reading comprehension which is there in CAT and ZAT is not something that the CAT paper setter has written it only for CAT. No ways. It's already written by an author. He's just copying it and pasting it. What these guys are making out of it is the questions. Means when I start reading economics, if I'm good at economics, if I'm good at finance, when I start reading that, I can understand it fatafat. So I'm enjoying it. I'm not spending a lot of time on it. It means I know the structure. It means I know how economics, finance, stock market related articles are going to be. I know the words, I know the vocabulary, I know the English usage, I know whether the author is sarcastic or he's satire or he's disgusting or he's negative or he's positive or he's funny, right? Something like that. So that builds my reading skills. And when I see one of these articles, so let's just say if the CAT reading comprehension 2022 is an economics topic copied from somewhere else, won't you be able to understand the structure? Say yes or no. Will you not be able to understand the structure? Exactly, because it's the same thing. So the rule number 2 says, आप वही चीजें पढ़ना जिसके बारे में आपको नॉलेज है. अगर आपको रीडिंग में थोड़ी दिलचस्पी लानी है, अगर आपको रीडिंग से प्यार करना है, इफ यू वांट टू फॉल इन लव विद रीडिंग, आप वो चीज़ें पहले पढ़ना चालू करो जो आपको समझ में आती है, या फिर आप वो चीज़ें पढ़ना चालू करो जिसके बारे में आप जानते हो. करंट अफेयर्स. Now what are the 2 major points that are happening? Stock market problem and Russia and Ukraine problem. Okay? Understood? So I want you guys to start from this level at least right now.